All right, so I've been looking at Elon Musk's tweets recently. I'm sure everyone has as well. There's some interesting information I wanted to share. So, if you're new to my channel, I follow crypto and stocks and provide updates. So, subscribe if you're interested, and give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. So, we're gonna go into this latest tweet, Cyber Viking. Right? And if we look closely, that's a Doge logo on the dollar bill there. And I think that was like a gift from his Giga Berlin visit. And then he also mentions later that day, and this was 10:56 a.m., that I haven't and won't sell any Doge. Right, that was in response to another YouTuber that's big into Tesla. So I don't think Elon Musk has ever confirmed that he held Doge. You guys definitely could leave me a comment because I haven't been able to find that anywhere. I know he's been sponsoring Doge big time. And if you recall earlier in the year, there's been a lot of debate whether or not he's the owner of the largest Dogecoin wallet, right? That has, at the time, nearly $3 billion worth, or nearly 37 billion Dogecoin. And it's kind of interesting that there are 20 transactions that showed his pretty much birth date, right? So June 28th, 1971. And we see that again today. So after that tweet was dropped today, we also see, right, that was 10:56 a.m. and then that first transaction there, 4/20/69, the iconic meme date. So there's more information, there's more evidence there that either he's colluding with somebody else or someone's. It's probably too big of a coincidence. Definitely would not be surprised if he is the holder of this coin. Just because he's been pushing Dogecoin. All right, and then with, as I mentioned earlier, and I don't think it's a surprise. I'm sure everyone knows. Elon, abandoned Bitcoin in a way, and and this was in response to Bitcoin. Tesla's Diamond Hands Bitcoin, and credit to our master of coin, the chief financial officer. He was probably the one that set up the strategy to buy Bitcoin. So that's a positive sign for the crypto space, that Tesla, even though they're not really fully supporting it, they're not selling it either. And for Doge, confirmation here, maybe it's a whale pretending to be Elon, just to make keeping the coin up, or maybe it is Elon. And that's definitely a very strong positive for Dogecoin. And there's other things down the line as catalyst for Dogecoin. So Elon, if you haven't heard yet, it's kind of old news. A couple weeks ago, Elon Musk mentioned it would be funding their next SpaceX launch, which Dogecoin. So that's for the Doge hodlers. Very, a lot of good news. I know there's been a lot of fear in the market, and if you didn't sell yet, I think that was a good move not to sell, right? Because there was a lot of capitulation earlier in the week with the China ban on crypto cracking down, and I think there was even more government talks from I think Yellen mentioned more regulation with crypto, but you saw that capitulation all the way to 28 cents, and a very strong bounce, and another sell off, and then now we're stabilizing, and we could be on our way, made another leg there and back on our way up. So I wanted to just kind of recap, I think, some of the latest tweets there, and then recapping all the events leading up to where we are. Everyone's predicting a crash, and I don't think so. I think we still got more, more catalysts. I think it was a buying opportunity. Obviously, anything could happen. So, always invest at your own risk. Do you think Elon, if he really is the whole, the big account, the big whale there? I think he is. I think there's a good chance he is. And in any case, there hasn't been a lot of selling with Doge, and even though Elon Musk, he's kind of losing his, the more tweets he sends, the less influence. A lot of, I think the crypto community's been kind of upset with him, and vice versa. But it's probably really important to have someone in the technology industry with that level of influence to continue to be supporting, crypto, even as flaky or wishy-washy as he is. Well, appreciate you guys watching the video. Subscribe if you're want to stay up to date with crypto, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video.